How to set up Gmail SMTP server. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up Gmail SMTP server step by step. Whether you are sending emails from your website or an app, or even from automations tools like Anything or Zapier. Once it is connected, you will be able to send email directly through your Gmail account. So that means you can send confirmation emails, alert, newsletter, anything without even opening your inboxes. Now let's get started this video. First thing first, what you have to do is search for this Google My Secure Google account, or you can search my Google account or myaccount.google.com. Now after that, you will be prompted to this where you have to go into your security. After that, you have to check whether your two-step verification is turned on or off. Make sure this two-step verification is turned on, because without this you will not be able to set up SMTP server. Now, so I have turned on my two-step verification. So what I'm going to do next is click on this home from the left, and from the top you have to search for Google account. You will find this search bar. In that search bar you have to type app password. Now click on this app password, and then it will take you to the app passwords. First you have to enter the name of the app. Right now I have to delete the previous one. Now after entering the name of your app, just simply click on this create button, because this password should be secured, so I'm not able to show you. So just simply enter the name and click on this create button. Something will pop up in front of you. Copy that password and just let me. So I have copied my password, and then after that copying, you have to do is go to gmailmas.co, where we will test our SMTP test. So let's add some basic information is SMTP server. So then I have, because my name is my app name is SMTP, so I have added that. Then you have to enter the port, which is FIC 465. Then SSL, you have to choose the security. So let me just, and then after that you have to enter your username over here. So let's go back and copy my username. So basically username is your Gmail which you are used to create this app password. Now right now I have added this my username. Then you have to enter the exact name from email address. Then after that you have to enter the some like example email to show. I have two different email addresses over here, so I will just copy this and then paste over here, and then click on this test it button. Now it will try to connect. No such host is known. Now instead of adding only SMTP, you have to add this smtp.gmas.com. Then you have to enter this port, which is 465, and then SSL security. After that you have to click on this test it, and it will send you this email that the test has been successfully. So if this email gets you, then it's successfully you have set up SMTP server on your Gmail. So if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.